When art and fun meet in the kitchen, Venus de Milo Gummy is not a gummy bear or a gummy worm. We're high class here. We downloaded the Venus de Milo shape from the Thingiverse and printed it on a 3D printer. This Venus de Milo by Cosmo Wen Man was beautiful, and printing came out great after scaling it down to a few inches tall. I had to clean up under the chin and the armpit a little bit. To make the mold, we placed the statue in a cup, melted the ComposiMold, and poured it around the base of the statue. We then placed this in the freezer to chill. This is a sneaky way of using the ComposiMold to hold the lightweight, hollow statue in place. After it chilled, we poured more ComposiMold over and around the figure and let this chill for about an hour in the freezer. We pulled off the plastic cup, pulled out the original, and our mold is ready to go. We had to cut down the side of this to make this into a cut block mold. This takes a little bit of time here, so I will fast forward it through here a little bit. I wasn't quite sure whether the gummy would come out without a parting line, but I thought I would try this first. To make awesome gummies, you need a strong mixture of gummy. You can use Jell-O by reducing the water by about a quarter compared to what it says on the box, or you can make your own gummy recipe almost as easy. We'd made our own using homemade maple syrup as a sweetener. This consists of 1 cup of juice, any kind, 4 tablespoons of maple syrup, 5 tablespoons of gelatin, and a drop of coloring. Heat the juice and maple syrup together over medium heat until hot, but it's not boiling. Reduce the heat and add the gelatin into the mixture a little at a time until it is all dissolved. Turn off the heat and let it cool to almost room temperature. Before pouring the gummy liquid, chill your ComposiMolds by placing them in the freezer for about an hour. It is also very important to prepare your ComposiMold mold by wiping vegetable oil over the insides of the gummy mixture so it does not stick. This is extremely important. When cooled to room temperature, pour your gummy solution into the ComposiMold molds. Chill the gummies by placing them in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. While this is going on, we also made another cute little mold of a seashell. Same process, we made a reusable mold, poured in the gummy mixture, and we pulled out the seashell. And there it is. After the gummy mixture has solidified, we pull it out of the mold. The inspiration for the gummy Venus de Milo was from Jennifer, who is obviously a Simpsons fan as well, as this was from episode 9, Homeward Badman in season 6. Using this process, we can make lots of gummy shapes. Use your imagination and have fun with it. When we were pulling the gummy out, we had to be very careful with the head as it was a little small and fragile. To make it easier, we cut down the edge with a knife. Ta-da! The most precious gummy. Store the gummies in a sealed container in the refrigerator. Repeat this for other flavors. And of course, you have to try it to make sure it tastes good. It passes the test. Thank you so much for watching. Have fun making awesome shapes with ComposiMold, a food contact safe mold making material. Enjoy.